Yes.
Are shadows the same as Lyra's dust?
Yes.
And is dust dark matter?
Yes.
So dark matter is conscious?
Evidently.
The mind that's answering these questions, it isn't human, is it?
No. But humans have always known us.
There's more than one of you?
Uncountable billions.
What are you?
Angels.
Angels?
Yes.
Angels are creatures made up of shadow matter, of dust.
Yes.
And shadow matter is what we call spirit.
From what we are, spirit. From what we do, matter. Matter and spirit are one.
You've always been there.
Making, stimulating, guiding.
So does that mean angels have intervened in human evolution?
Yes.
But why?
Vengeance.